Hello guys, it's Dale here with a new day trading analysis. Today I'll talk about Bitcoin because yesterday there was a pretty crazy ride on Bitcoin and I wanted to show you what I think happened here and where new strong supports formed. So what you're looking at is a Bitcoin chart. It is a 30-minute time frame. I'm using the TradingView platform with my new set of volume profile and VWAP indicators. And what I want to talk about on Bitcoin is this area, this strong uptrend from yesterday that, as you can see, also continued earlier today. And what I did here, I used my flexible volume profile to look into that trend area. This is the trend area. And the flexible volume profile nicely shows significant zones where heavy volumes were traded. It was in here and in here. I call those volume clusters. And in those heavy volume clusters, strong buyers were adding to the long positions as they were pushing the price upwards. And those zones are currently very important for those buyers, and they should try and hold them because they placed a lot of the longs here before, and this is what is telling us that those zones are important for them and they should defend it. So when there's a pullback to the first zone, which is beginning at 24,320, then this should work as a support and the price should react from there. Then if the price turns and drops and makes a pullback to the second support at 22,835, then I expect another reaction from those buyers from this volume cluster. So those are currently the strongest volume-based supports on Bitcoin. Now, it's not only about this volume profile trend setup, which I showed you here with the flexible volume profile indicator, but there's more to it. Let me zoom out the chart a bit so you can see it. So with the first support in here, you can see that the price reacted to this level in the past in here. Very nice and sharp reaction, which means that this level already worked as a strong level in the past and it worked as a strong resistance. Yesterday, buyers were pushing through and they were adding to the long positions in here, and they pushed through that resistance, which means that the resistance, the significant resistance, turned into a newly formed support. All right, this is a price action setup, and in this case, it points us to the same level as the volume profile setup here. So this is why I like this level, because it is actually a confluence, a combo of two trading setups. Now, regarding the second long, the second support, which is at 22,835, there's also a nice combo. And the thing is that you need to look at how volumes were distributed throughout the current week as well as the previous week. Because if you look at the volume profile from the previous week, then very heavy volumes were accumulated here. Previous week started in here, but if you look into the whole area, I mean to encompass the whole rotation from here, then it shows massive volumes right here, just a bit above our level, which we found using the trend setup in here. And this is also what adds strength to the level, right? Massive volumes traded around this level in the previous week. The price pushed past that heavy volume zone yesterday, but that doesn't mean that this level is negated. It is still there, only now it should work as a support. All right, so that's the combo that strengthens the second support, and this is exactly what I like to do in my trading. I like to look for confluences or for combinations of trading setups which confirm each other and which point to the same trading levels, like in here. All right, so This is my take on Bitcoin. What we need to do now is just wait for the pullback to the first support, take it from there, and then hopefully pull back to the second support, and we take it from there. Alright? Now, if you guys are interested in learning all there is about volume profile trading, I recommend visiting my website, which is trader-dale.com. And in here, if you click this button, which says Browse Courses, then it will take you to my courses. There are two. First one is called the Elite Pack, which focuses on volume profile trading. The other one is Oriflow Pack, which focuses on day trading using Oriflow. Currently, I'm running a special sale on both those packs, which means you can get either of them 52% discounted. So check those packs out. There are a lot of stuff included in both of them. There are videos which you can watch that will show you everything that's included in those packs. If you have any questions, there is a quick chat window, so you're welcome to use it and you'll have your answer to your questions in no time. So that's about the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video, or if you decide to join one of our courses, then I'll see you in the members area. So see you next time, and until then, happy trading.